Hello and welcome to the next episode of What Is? This episode will focus on analytics, an exciting space which is constantly growing. Analytics is all about storing, organising and mining data in order to find patterns and insights that create value for businesses. Companies are continuously looking for analytical solutions to optimise the value they're gaining from the wealth of information that they're gathering. There are two main approaches to analytics. First, the traditional approach. Companies organise their data into silos, integrate it into one format, and store it ready for analysis. Analysts then use this historical data to understand what was going on within their business and why. Second is the big data approach, a more recent approach to analytics. But to explain it, we first need to understand what big data is. With the world getting smarter, just about everything we use in our day-to-day lives is now creating data. Every time we use a smartphone, drive a car, or post a tweet, data is being collected. This huge amount of information is known as big data, and can be both structured and unstructured. Structured data resides in a fixed field, such as numeric or alphabetical data. Unstructured data, however, is things like photos and videos that can't be classified. The volume of data is overwhelming and it makes finding patterns extremely difficult. Because of this, companies now require more evolved solutions which allow huge amounts of data to be left in its raw form and analysed in real time in order to find insights and correlations. This is the big data approach. IBM offers this as both platforms and solutions, which build upon the client's analytical skills, enabling them to effectively utilize their data. Here are some examples of how an analytical platform can transform a business. Transport authorities improving traffic flow in congested cities by taking GPS data from cars, cameras, and traffic sensors to provide intelligent traffic management. Businesses analysing what their customers are saying about them online and using this to predict preferences and encourage the customer's next purchase. Hospitals collecting and analysing real-time data about their patients at each stage of their treatment in order to reduce the amount of patients being wrongly discharged only to be readmitted again at a later date. Let's think about it like this. You're thinking about getting a mortgage for a house. You've tweeted, you've called advice lines, and you've been on a variety of websites. So what if a bank had analysed that data, recognised that you were interested in a mortgage, and then contacted you directly with what they could offer? Wouldn't you be more inclined to go with them? So, analytics is all about utilising data to help people understand what drives their business, anticipate future trends, and gain a competitive advantage by better meeting their customers' needs.